And we got like all those Spideys.
Yeah, we got a Spider-Man blind box we found.
There's also a chance to get ultra rare.
Awesome. We just got one at, where did we go?
Walgreens.
Walgreens. And then we got 2 packs of Pokemon cards. And look at this cool little pin. Okay, go ahead.
And help me open it. Welcome back to Toybox. Today we got Spider-Man.
And it's
also a chance to get a rare Deadpool.
And what is it? It's from where?
Walgreens.
And it's a Walgreens exclusive.
Yeah.
And we're doing this outside again today. We're trying to enjoy.
Spidey Pig.
Ooh, we got Spidey Pig. Let me see. Little Spidey Pig. Very cute. Alright.
There he is.
Is he a what?
He's ultra rare.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see. Well, he's a 1 in 12, so that's pretty good. Not bad.
Next we are going to this
Pokemon pack.
Yeah. So we are going in the match this Pokemon. The Lawbringer. Guys, are gonna come right back with some scissors.
He's got his cards open.
Okay.
Oh, let's show the cute little pen. Cute little pen.
A chance to get EX in this. Oh,
Oops.
it was supposed to be a
Okay.
back. Have a nice day, everybody.
There we go. All right, Ethan. Who'd you get?
Oh!
Who is it?
That's the one my heart collected. Oh!
All Night Party. And then, oh no! Then he's got
Oh!
a Psychic Third Eye.
Oh! Ooh,
Pokemon Catcher.
Oh, this is a really good. This is a really bad one.
Really bad one.
Ooh, this is a good one.
Let me see. Oh, look at that. That one's cute.
Ooh, Rattata.
Corsola. That one's really cute.
But not the one with the
Rattata.
Oh! Oh, Beaver Jeever. Oh, I got a foil!
Oh! A Palpitoad foil. Those are so cute. Ooh! And Clayfable. Those are cute.
Yeah,
Next pack of cards from that packet.
Oh! This is a good... The detail isn't on
Let me see it. Oh. Well, he tried to show you
Here's
guys.
the art.
There's the art on the on the pack.
There.
Very cool.
Have
This
a
is
nice day, everybody. So, oh!
Let's see. Wait. We got an old amber Aerodactyl. Whatever that is.
Oh, a promo! Look at that promo.
Minchino. A Diglett.
Diglett.
Let's see who else we get. We got a Riolu, something.
Whoa, look out! A foil Meowth!
Oh my goodness, foil Meowth. I guess you can tell we watch hardcore
Look
collector. Look at there.
Look at all those steel boxes.
Yay, Meowth. It's foil. That just makes our whole day. And then there's... Oh, look at this. Stop. There's a Lucario. And then we've got an... I don't know. Omienti.
Look at all those Eevees.
What'd you get? No, you didn't get any Eevees. We got a Carbink and a Deerling.
And a
Those are so
Spirit.
cute. Ooh, and a Scorched Earth. Very cool. Now we got one more packet. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Levion.
Okay.
We've got our little packet open.
Yeah, and it's Levion.
And it's a Sun and Moon Ultra
Have a nice
Prism
day,
pack.
everybody.
There we go. Okay, let's see who we get.
Water energy. Whistle.
Here, you're too far away from me. I can't reach him.
Whistle.
We got this.
Penguin.
Slow down. We don't do it that fast.
Check one out.
whistle. Then we got this cute little dude. Ah, they're all fuzzy for some reason.
Check out. Mushroom.
Here, hold them up.
Sayo.
Ethan makes up his own names.
Eevee.
Hold on. We got a
Oh,
Magmar.
this one's fake.
It is not. These are real. We bought them at Walgreens. An Eevee. We did get a cute little Eevee. What else do we got? A Sneasel. I think those are so cute. And then a Carnivine. Ooh, I'd hate to run into that guy.
Foil.
Ooh, we got a foil. Foil Manaphy.
Oh, I already got that one.
Abysma Snow. That's really cool. Blessings of Frost. That is really cool. I love snow and cold, so that's cool. Alright, and then, let's see. Let me see that one under your hand. The first packet we opened was from Breakpoint. And the second pack we opened was a Fates Collide. So, what do we tell them, Ethan?
Bye, subscribe.
Bye, subscribe. Be sure to watch our next video. Thank you. Thank you. Tell them thank you.